Hello, Philippines!
From India.
And we met this guy.
We met this guy from Philippines.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
nice.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Nandakumar.
Okay, and then
I'm
madam.
Priyanka.
And
Pragya.
so they are PhD students, all of you?
Yeah, we have PhD.
They are PhD students and
Was India.
How do you find
this is an
India?
interview. Okay.
You like India?
Yeah, I like it because it's cold and the people are very friendly.
How
Yeah, I
was
like most.
our sweets, Indian
Indian food.
sweet snacks.
Indian sweet snacks are sweet.
Right now,
Okay.
Right, you can tell about that.
Okay, because
Yeah, you have to tell about my
Sweets
sweet.
which you ate today.
Yeah.
okay, I'll continue. The sweet it's the same as the ingredients in the Philippines and other Asian countries. It's just that compared to the Philippines, it's less. The sugar is less.
Okay.
Yeah, because in the Philippines
My-
we like our brains to be like rushing with
Okay.
sugar. Yeah. So, but it's very delicious. Yeah, and I think there are more natural ingredients that are being used.
Yes.
Okay, goodbye. I need to go to Ikrisan.
He's going to.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye guys. Bye.